Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. My name is Confidence and the name of my YouTube channel is Ude Confu. Are you a new YouTuber or you've been a YouTuber for a long time but your video is not getting the views they deserve, the likes, the subscribers they deserve? Stick around this video because you're going to learn a lot. On today's video, we're going to be talking about 10 costly mistakes new YouTubers make and how to avoid them. If this video is what you're going to love watching, stick around and let's dive into the video so we can learn and unlearn. Okay? The number one mistake new YouTubers make is actually posting low quality videos. Low quality videos can be shaky video, bad audio, poor lighting. As a new YouTuber, I know you've watched a whole lot of videos where they are telling you your lighting don't matter, your audio don't matter, just pick up your phone and start filming. But I'm here to tell you that don't work. It doesn't work. I'm not telling you to break the bank to go and start investing on big camera phones or big camera or lightning. But make sure if you're filming, be intentional about your filming because nobody will come on here to watch your video and your video is shaky, it's not stable, your face is blurred. Nobody will want to watch that video. The first costly mistake new YouTubers make is actually uploading low quality video. If you want to film, you can film with your normal lights, like lights from your window. You can film. Once it's 11 o'clock, you can start filming your video. Make sure you're giving your best to your video. Don't listen to anybody telling you film anyhow. People will watch it. People will scroll past your video because there are many people on here who are posting good quality videos. I'm not using a big phone, but I'm making sure I'm filming with my natural light and a small light that I have here that I'm using to film. So as a new YouTuber, to avoid this costly mistake of posting low quality videos, be intentional about your posting. Be intentional about what you want to post. Film it the right way. Make your video audible. If you can invest in a microphone, this small microphone I'm holding, you can invest on it. You don't need to buy big camera phone or iPhone or any phone you are using, but make sure you are using a good light. Natural light is okay. Another mistake, which is number two mistake new YouTubers make, is being inconsistent, like inconsistency in posting. If you're a new YouTuber, you're just starting, or you've been here for a longest time, please be consistent with your posting. Try posting consistently because if you're not posting consistently, you will lose subscribers, you will lose engagement on your video on your YouTube. Viewers will not come because you cannot come and post once in every 2 months, once in every 6 months, once in every 3 months. Even YouTube will not be recommending your videos. YouTube will not be telling people to watch your videos because they don't see any consistency in your video. As a new YouTuber, make sure you're consistent. And how to be consistent here on posting is by scheduling your video. You can have days where you batch film, edit them, schedule them. Even if you're not doing any video that day, your video will go up. You don't even need to go and start stressing yourself. To be consistent, schedule your videos. Yes, batch film. Make a calendar of when you're going to be posting. If you want to be posting twice a week, once a week, or maybe 3 times in a week, schedule this video, make these videos and start posting them. Make sure you're consistent. By doing that, you will grow your YouTube channel, your viewers, you'll be monetized faster as a new YouTuber. You will get your 4,000 watch hour faster and your 1,000 subscribers, 1K subscribers. So by doing this, being consistent here on YouTube, you will actually grow. Number three mistake new YouTubers make is ignoring engagements. Engagement is another way for you to grow faster here on this YouTube space. You cannot be a YouTuber and you're ignoring your comment section. People are commenting on your videos, you are not giving them, you are not commenting back, you're not liking their comments. It will not make it will make them have like it will make them feel what am I commenting for? Even if I comment, he or she is not going to reply. You see, by engaging your viewers, you are giving them that sense of belonging. Like, oh, I like this person. Maybe the reason why I like this person is because she always respond. Anytime I drop comments, she always respond. To grow here on this YouTube space, please stop ignoring engagements. When people give you feedback, ask questions, answer them. Even you yourself posting that video, if you go to another YouTuber's page and comment and they did not reply, you will not feel happy about it. To grow here, stop ignoring your engagements. That is the number third point. So the number fourth one is not optimizing your videos. As a new YouTuber, once you post video, try and optimize them. I know as a new YouTuber, you've been hearing this word optimization, optimization. It might sound big, but what is optimization if you will ask? Optimization is you going to your video before you upload, use the right keywords, the right tags, the right description, so that it will help viewers find your content whenever they are searching for. Maybe you are making video on how to make chin chin. Use the right keywords for that video so that when your viewers want to search for content like, or people want to search and use how to make chin chin, they will actually see your video pop up. That is what optimization is. As a new YouTuber, the reason why you're not going is because you are not optimizing your video. Before you put your video up, use the right description, the right tag, and the right keywords. By doing so, you will get subscribers, you will get viewers. When people search you, they will find your videos easily. Okay? Another mistake that new YouTubers make is buying subscribers and views. If you are doing that, or if anybody is giving you any advice of you buying subscribers and buying viewers, that person don't love you. That person don't want you to grow on this YouTube page. That person wants your video to be banned. That person wants YouTube to demonetize your channel. If you're buying subscribers and you are buying view, it is against YouTube terms and conditions. They will penalize you by banning your video or your channel or demonetizing you. For you to get subscribers and get views, push out quality content. Give them good quality content, what they want to see, like good quality content. People will come back to watch your video. Don't go to all these sites they are telling you come and buy subscribers, come and buy views and watch hour. It is going to cost you a lot in the long run. Don't do that. As a beginner, as a new YouTuber, don't go ahead to start buying subscribers. Build your subscribers organically. Build it organically. It takes time. I know it is not easy once you're just starting. At times you will see 1 view, 2 view, 3 view, 1 subscriber for 2 months. Keep pushing. By doing so, YouTube will see you are consistent, see your work. Stop buying subscribers. If you are doing that, stop it right now, because YouTube are gonna ban you. Okay? The number 6 on our list is not providing value for your viewers. People come to YouTube to be entertained, to solve problems, to be educated. You cannot post videos that people are not learning anything from and you think you get subscribers. No. As a YouTuber, as a new beginner, make sure you are posting quality content. Make sure you are giving out relevant video. It's not just any kind of video you just come here and post. No, people are coming here to be educated. People are coming here to be entertained. People are coming here to solve problems, how to fix things that they cannot do on their own. That is why people are coming here, because YouTube is a search engine just like Google. So for you to get subscribers as a new YouTuber, as a beginner, make sure you are giving out quality content, good content, educative content. If you are into entertainment niche, give them good entertainment that will make them come back to subscribe to your channel, that will make them share your video, that will make them leave comments, that will even make them turn their post notification bell. Because once you're giving them good content, nobody will want to leave your channel. They will want to keep watching your video. Anytime you post and they see notification, even if they are doing anything, my sister, they are going to leave that thing they are doing and watch your video. Okay? So give them good quality content. Provide good quality content for your subscribers. The number 7 mistake new YouTubers make is not being authentic. Yes, I said what I said. Not being authentic, not being your authentic self. Viewers can tell when you're faking it. Viewers can see you through this lens. Okay? If you're a new YouTuber, a beginner, just be yourself. You don't need to be anybody else. You don't need to copy everything you see on YouTube. And see, this YouTube, you don't need to be perfect before you start doing it. Even me, as I'm making this video you are going to watch now, you will see a whole lot of loopholes, a lot of mistakes. But because what I'm telling you, you're actually going to gain from it, you will watch my video. You don't need to be perfect. Be yourself. Be your authentic self. You will build organic subscribers. You don't need to go and copy that girl you saw. What that girl is doing, the way she used to do in her video. You don't need to do all that. Just be your authentic self. as a new YouTuber so that you will grow on this space, so that you build genuine subscribers, not people that will come watch your video once and go. Because you are building this thing for a long run, okay? You want to get monetized. You want to you want to make a living out of this YouTube. So just be your authentic self. Don't fake it, because viewers can see who you are from your lens, okay? If you make mistake, just keep going. Nobody is perfect. Those big YouTubers, they started somewhere. They used to make mistake when they started, but with time they perfected their craft and they are doing better. Just like me now, I will make mistake on this video. But please bear with me. With time, I'll be perfect. I'll be okay. I'm just being myself. Okay? So be yourself as a new YouTuber. Don't fake it. Don't try to be anybody else. Okay? The number 8 mistake new YouTuber make is this. I know this is going to sound somehow to some people, but this is actually the truth. Not collaborating with other content creators. Yes, I said what I said. Okay? Quote me anywhere. As a new YouTuber, if you collaborate with other content creators that are in your niche, I promise you, your collaboration make you reach a wider audience on this YouTube space. But the truth still remains that big YouTubers don't want to collaborate with small YouTubers. They find it difficult to collaborate with small YouTubers. Once they see you that you're a new YouTuber, you're just growing, they don't want to collaborate with you. But the truth there is this: if you're collaborating with anybody, you are helping yourself as well, not just that person. Collaboration can make you grow here on this YouTube space. Collaborating with content creators on the same niche. Or what if you're doing cooking videos, you can collaborate with other people doing cooking videos. It will help you grow here on this YouTube space. Collaboration is another key which people are neglecting because they see you as a small YouTuber. But if you have anybody that will agree to collaborate with you as a new YouTuber, go ahead and collaborate with them, and you will smile after doing that. Okay? The number 9 mistake new YouTubers make is not analyzing their performance on YouTube. Now, sister, auntie, uncle, brother, how can you post video and you're not analyzing? You're not going to your YouTube studio to check your analytics, to check how your video is doing. Not checking your performance can actually be another thing slowing you down. You don't know what is working for your channel and what is not working for your channel. As a new YouTuber, make sure you are going to check your analytics. That is why it is there. To check the video that is doing well, the one that is not doing well, the people watching your video, their age, all those kind of things is just there. Make sure you are analyzing your video. Don't just post and forget about it. You don't analyze, you don't check your performance, how you're doing on YouTube. No. By doing so, you will not grow. By doing so, you will not know what you need to drop and what you need to continue doing. As a new YouTuber, to avoid this, make sure anytime you post, give it 2 days or 3 days, go to your analytics, check, or even a day, and check how your video is performing. Check your performance on YouTube. By that, you will grow here, you will get subscribers, and you will get viewers. Okay? The number 10th on our list today is giving up easily. As a new YouTuber, I know you push out content, but you don't get views, you get discouraged, nobody's watching you, and you want to give up. Please don't give up. Me, I'm telling you today, don't give up. Even me, I'm telling myself as well. Do not give up. To grow here on YouTube, it takes effort, persistence, consistency to grow here on this YouTube. It takes time. But trust me, if you don't give up, you will grow. If you don't give up, you will get views. If you don't give up, that community you're trying to build here on YouTube, you're actually going to build them. They will keep coming back to watch your video. Even when you don't post, they'll be reaching out to you. Why are you not posting? I'm just telling you all this so that you'll be encouraged not to give up. If you've started your YouTube journey already and you say, oh, because I'm not getting view, I'm not doing again. Please, my sister, please, my uncle, pick up that your camera and start filming. Pick up your camera and start filming. So guys, there you have it, the 10 mistakes new YouTubers make that is hindering them from growing here on YouTube. If you love this video and you would love to see more of this kind of content, please don't forget to like my video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. Tell your friends and your family to come and watch me. I want to grow on YouTube as well. As I'm telling you, I'm also telling myself, Till I come your way next time, my name remains Confidence. Bye bye, and thank you for stopping by to watch me. Thank you.